Hi there, this is Navneet and welcome to my channel Navneet Technical. We are going to see how to customize VS Code Editor in this video. We will see some of the useful extensions and themes which makes our editor look beautiful. And at the end of this video, our code editor will look something like this. So without any delay, let's start our customization. Before going to customization, I just want to show the code editor how it was now so that we can figure out the differences after and before installing the theme. So let's see how our code editor will look like now. So I'll just open any of the codes. See, it will look something like this before installing the theme. Now let's get into our customization. So in order to install the extensions, just click here on this icon which opens extension sidebar for us, where we can install and search all the themes. So the first extension we are going to install is OneDark Pro, the theme. Just type in OneDark Pro. Yeah, this is what we are looking for, OneDark Pro. Just click on it and just click on install. It will install the theme for us. Yeah, it will take few seconds. Yeah, it is asking to switch from default theme to OneDark Pro. That is what we wanted. So just click on OneDark Pro. It will load the theme for us. Make sure you connect to the internet because we require internet for installing the themes. I mean the extensions. Now open the code, the same code after installing the theme. Yeah, see. Did you figure out the changes, the differences before and after installing the theme? It's colorful, right? Now the second extension we are going to install is Bracket Colorizer 2. See, now here all the brackets are similar in color, that is the same color. Now just type in here Bracket Colorizer, this one 0.2.0 Bracket Colorizer 2. Just click on install. It will install for us. It may take only just few seconds. Yeah, now open the code, the same code after installing the Bracket Colorizer. See, now the brackets are colored. By this we can easily figure out the code. See, it is showing a line for us, that is where that bracket ends, and all the brackets are in different color so that we can figure out the code within the brackets very easily. See, it is helping us to figure out the code within the brackets. And the last customization for this video is how to change the color of this activity bar. Now just click on this icon settings and go to settings, and you can see workbench over here. Just click on it and go to appearance, and you can see color customizations. Just click on this edit in settings.json, and you can see here workbench.color customizations. Just type in there activity, and you can see here activity bar. So we want to change the background of it, so click on this activity bar dot background, and the color I want to choose is ash f82500. just type in there, and this is the color I want to choose. So just now save this, just press Ctrl S, save, and you can see the color has been changed, but the color of these icons is something not nice. I just want to keep it black. So just come over here and just click enter, and just type in same activity foreground. So this changes the color of the icons. I just want to keep it as black, so just click over here. Now again press Ctrl S. See, the color of the icons has been changed. So this is for this video. We'll see some more useful extensions and how to customize VS Code Editor in the next videos. Thanks for watching.